and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've been waiting for this unboxing for what feels like forever, but it's been a week or two. So this is the other set. So if anybody saw my last unboxing from Paint Gem, I was sent, they were kind enough to send me a set of their mini diamond paintings, and I got the National Parks set, which you will see me de-kit soon because I have finished them all. Now, when I unboxed them, I absolutely loved them. I think the idea of having little mini diamond paintings that turn into a full picture, i.e., you know, it can be fully framed and up on your wall rather than being something small and off the canvas, is absolutely fantastic. And there were two other sets. Having said that, there might be more than two sets, but there was two sets that I really, really wanted. And while I was able to pick sort of options, my favourite of them all wasn't actually in stock when they sent me the original set. So they sent me another set that I liked, and after unboxing them, I liked them so much that I went and ordered myself two other sets. Now, there is another set that Megan has her eye on. Megan really wants another set, so there might be another order going in, we'll see. But I have had the two sets that I ordered myself turn up, and I'm rather excited because I do think some of these are going to be going into my new kitchen. And I have no idea which is which, so let's open one of them. So they do all come in this little box that does keep everything quite compact. I can never quite get it back in the same way, but that's fine because I'm hoping to kit these up rather soon. So this one, oh, these are slightly different. So what I've ordered is, the last set that I did was a full diamond painting. Where are they? I finished them, so they're in here on my I need to de-kit this week list. So let me pull out one of them and show you. So this is one of the national park images. You get 10 in the set, and they are a full image. So they're a full drill, and then you get this border so that when you put them in the frame, they look really nice. Where's the frame that I did? I did put one in a frame. Is that it? Nope. Is it? Oh, there we go. So I did put one in a frame. So the idea is you've got no things down the side to tell you, no key down the side. You do get a sheet with it on, but there's no key down the side of the painting, which means you can use that as a border, and you can just put the whole thing in a frame, and there you go. You have a little image on your side, on a shelf, where you just need something small and cute. So this National Park set is a full drill, albeit a small full drill. Now, these two sets that I've ordered have 12 in each of them, but they're a partial drill. So this is set one, and I have ordered the cocktail set. How cool will these look in the kitchen? Can I just say? Loving the idea. So this set is it's slightly bigger than the National Park set, but I have been having conversations with Paint Gem, and all of these will fit in the 13 by 18 frame from IKEA. I am going to get some, and I am going to do a video on just framing these, because frankly I love them. I want to see what all they look like in all the different frames, and yeah, I want to have a really good mess, see what images look good in what frames, and then you guys can IKEA is pretty much everywhere, isn't it? So you guys can always go to IKEA or order online from IKEA, which should be a bit less with it being frames and not big bookcases. And yeah, we'll have a little framing party, but they will all fit in a 13 by 18 frame from IKEA. So these do work out slightly larger, this set, in regards to round the outside, but they will still fit in the 13 by 18 frame. So what do we get in each box? I did go through this with the first set, but you do get a macaroon with wax. You do also get a toolkit and a nice little handy thing actually. So you get a boat, you get a pair of white plastic tweezers, you get a pen with a multi-placer on the end. You also get a 3-placer for your pen, and you do get a squishy to go on your pen, just to save those poor little fingers. In addition, you do get a little instruction. So here's how it works. And you basically get a really nice step-by-step guide on how to diamond paint, if you don't already know. So that's the standard items you get in each one. These are the cocktails. Look at those colours. They are amazing. So it's a square. You do get an inventory sheet, and that will tell you what symbol is what colour. So this is a bit like your key you would normally get down the side of the canvas. On these, you get them as a piece of paper. So this one has 30 different colours. The size in centimetres is 10 by 15, in inches is 4 by 6. And in this set, we actually get 12 different images, though you are just painting the image itself, and that will really pop then from the background. And there they all are. I will show you them in true fashion, of course. In true, let's have a look at the actual items. I'm so excited to get these ones kitted up. But look at those. It's like a rainbow. Rainbow in a bag. So these are the first set. So we have the blue. Somebody can probably name all of these drinks, but I just think they just look amazing little drinks. So that's one set of cocktails, and this is the other. How good are these going to look? I'm thinking of scattering them, having them just dotted about on a shelf in my kitchen. Just breaking up a few little items. I might do a cluster. I might do a cluster on a wall of like 4, 6, 9, or maybe even all 12 will end up in a cluster. I don't exactly know yet. I just know I'm going to have absolutely amazing fun doing them. I did notice somebody has recently done, I'm not sure if it was the same national park set as I got or whether they got a different one, but they have recently done one. And they've said with these squares, with the squares from Paint Gem, if all squares were like this, they would love doing squares, which is so true. They are really, really nice squares to do. And I have found the squares, if you look even up close, as if you were doing it yourself, if it will focus, look, no gaps, no popping. They do sit really, really nicely, I must say. So good on them for having really nice squares, which makes it even more exciting to work on these. So that was my first set, or one of the sets that I got. Second set, I think this one is also, yes it is, this one is also a partial. In the fact that you're only just placing the items. So we've got the sheet and we've got the macaroon, same as before. But this one is so me at the moment. This one is called Houseplants. Oh, I think this one's a 10 actually. So this one is also a 10. And what's the size of these? Are they they're more the same size as the national parks. I think the cocktails, to be fair, when I look at the cocktails, we just actually get more of a border on the cocktails than we do on the others. But they are all still the same size. So they will all sit in the sort of 13 by 18 frame. We've also got a toolkit. And then, let's have a look. Was it 10 designs? Oh no, maybe it is more. 12. 2/4, I can't count. It's because it was shorter. Everybody's probably looking at me going, no, there's 6 on there. Yeah, it is still 12. Again, they do say the size is 4 by 6 inches, 10 by 15 centimetres. There is 30 colours in this one as well, which is of course a lot of gorgeous greens. We do have some browns and creams, but we have some amazing greens in there. But look at these. I'm so into houseplants. They tend to be fake, but I do really like my greenery dotted about, and I do think these are going to get dotted about in the house all over the place. I think it's not just going to be the kitchen. Any little picture ledge, anywhere that just needs that extra little pop of something. Maybe it already has a fake plant quite often, but does need some greenery maybe. Then that'll be where these will come into play. And these are definitely not trying to be real. These are definitely fake houseplants, but they're different houseplants. Look at those. So yeah, each one size is 4 by 6 inches, 10 by 15 centimetres. I am going to get, say, quite a few different frames from IKEA. IKEA seems to be the best global frame place, considering there are people that watch from many different countries. And I'm going to do a framing video. I have all of the national parks paintings have been completed. I will be doing a de-kitting of the diamonds from that soon. Have I got any zoom out? I've got a little bit, but not a lot. Then again, how often can you say that you can pretty much fit 24 paintings in the screenshot for YouTube? I think that's not bad to be able to nearly fit 24 paintings in. Yeah, I will do different types of frames and how they work and how they look. There may be the odd one thrown in there that I've picked up. I know I have picked up a couple from local places. I've got a couple from a supermarket. I've got a couple from Primark. But I think I'm going to get like the complete range that will fit them from IKEA. So that will help everybody a bit more globally. And I'm sure there will be places local to you that will do frames as well. But we'll have a look at how they look in different types of frames. I'm sure different images will pop in different ways. But yeah, so excited that these have arrived. So happy that I have finished my first set. So I will be able to kit up the second set soon. But I will pop a link to these down below. I do have a discount code, which is 4kids at 147. So the number 4 kids at 80 147. The numbers. I will pop it in the link below. It is also an affiliate link that I will pop down below. That means that it does tell them that you've come from my video. It does give me a little bit to support this channel, but it doesn't cost you any more than what you would pay if you went and found them all by yourself. But so excited. There's so many other ones. I think my daughter wants the space ones as well. So I might have to place another order soon. But I'm going to get going on mine first. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.